Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest online business models to understand. You recommend a product or service, someone buys or takes action through your special link, and you earn a commission. But simple does not mean easy. To succeed, you must treat affiliate marketing like a real business. You need a clear niche, the right platform, good content, traffic, trust, and proper tracking. In this video, we will walk through how to start affiliate marketing step by step, especially if you are a beginner. At Entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on Entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Let's get into the steps. Step 1. Understand what affiliate marketing really means. Before you start, you must understand the business properly. Affiliate marketing means you earn money by helping a business sell its product or service. You do not own the product. You do not keep stock. You do not handle delivery. Your main job is to connect the right people to the right solution. Think of yourself as a helpful guide. Someone is looking for a good laptop, a business tool, a course, a travel deal, or a beauty product. You explain the options clearly and share your affiliate link. If the person buys through that link, the company pays you. Step 2. Choose a clear niche. The next step is to choose a niche. A niche is the area you want to focus on. It could be business tools, fashion, skincare, travel, fitness, parenting, education, technology, finance, or home products. Do not try to promote everything. When you promote everything, people may not know what to trust you for. Choose one area where people already have problems, where products exist, and where you can explain things simply. A good niche should have demand, profit potential, and content opportunities. Ask yourself, are people searching for this? Are there products I can promote? Can I create helpful content around it again and again? Step 3. Know your audience. After choosing your niche, define the people you want to serve. This matters because affiliate marketing is not about throwing links everywhere. It is about helping a specific group of people make better choices. For example, if your niche is business tools, are you helping students, freelancers, small business owners, creators, or large companies? Each group has different needs. A small business owner may want affordable tools. A large company may care more about advanced features and support. When you understand your audience, your content becomes clearer. You will know what to explain, what examples to use, and what products make sense for them. Step 4. Choose your main platform. Now that you know your niche and audience, choose where you will create content. Your platform is where people will find you and trust your recommendations. You can use a blog, YouTube channel, TikTok page, Instagram account, Facebook group, newsletter, or LinkedIn page. A website is powerful because it gives you more control and helps with long-term search traffic. YouTube is powerful because people can see and hear your explanation. Do not start everywhere at once. Choose one main platform first. Build it properly. Once you understand what works, you can expand to other channels. Step 5. Find the right affiliate programs. The next step is to join affiliate programs that match your niche and audience. This is where many beginners make mistakes. They choose a program only because the commission looks high. Before you join, check the product quality, commission rate, cookie duration, payment method, payout threshold, and reputation of the company. A high commission is useless if people do not trust the product or if the company does not pay reliably. You can find affiliate programs through global networks like CJ Affiliate, Awin, Impact, PartnerStack, and Amazon Associates. Depending on your region, you may also find local programs such as Jumia, Konga, TravelStart, Amazon India, or Flipkart. Step 6. Create helpful content. Content is the engine of affiliate marketing. Without content, people will not know why they should click your link. Your content should help people understand, compare, and decide. You can create product reviews, tutorials, buying guides, comparison posts, unboxing videos, case studies, and step-by-step guides. Do not just say, "Buy this." Explain who the product is for, what problem it solves, how it works, what it costs, what you like, what people should watch out for, and who should not buy it. That is how you build trust. Step 7. Drive traffic to your content. After creating content, you need people to see it. Traffic simply means people visiting your blog, watching your video, reading your post, or joining your email list. You can get traffic through SEO, YouTube search, social media, email marketing, online communities, and paid adverts. If you are just starting, focus on free traffic first. Answer questions people are already asking. Use simple titles. Create content people can search for. For example, instead of saying, "My favorite tools," create content like, "Best free accounting tools for small business owners." That is clearer and easier for the right person to find. Step 8. Build trust before selling. Affiliate marketing works better when people trust you. Trust is what makes someone click your link and take your recommendation seriously. Do not promote products you do not understand. Do not make fake promises. Do not say a product is perfect when it is not. Be honest about the good side and the weak side. People do not need you to sound like a salesperson. They need you to help them choose wisely. When your audience feels you are protecting them, not just selling to them, they will keep coming back. Step 9. Disclose your affiliate links. This step is very important. You must tell people when a link is an affiliate link. That means you should clearly say that you may earn a commission if they buy through your link. This is not something to hide. It shows honesty. It also helps you follow advertising rules in many countries. A simple disclosure can say, "Some links in this content are affiliate links, which means we may earn a commission if you buy through them, at no extra cost to you." Step 10. Track your results. Do not guess what is working. Track your results. Check which content gets clicks, which links make money, which products convert, and which channels bring the best audience. Use your affiliate dashboard, Google Analytics, and link tracking tools to monitor your performance. Look at clicks, conversions, earnings, refund rates, and earnings per click. When you track, you learn. You may discover that one article brings more sales than 10 social media posts. You may find that one product converts better than another. This helps you focus your energy where results are coming from. Step 11. Improve and scale slowly. Once you know what is working, improve it. Update your old content. Make better videos. Add clearer examples. Test stronger calls to action. Build an email list. Try new products that fit your audience. Scaling does not mean doing everything at once. It means doing more of what already works. If YouTube brings traffic, improve your YouTube content. If blog posts bring sales, publish more useful articles. If email converts well, grow your list. As money starts coming in, reinvest wisely. You can buy a domain, improve your website, pay for better tools, invest in design, or test paid adverts when you understand your numbers. Step 12. Treat it like a business. Affiliate marketing is not just posting links online. It is a business. You need a simple plan, a content calendar, income goals, tracking, compliance, and patience. Let us bring everything together. To start affiliate marketing as a beginner, understand the model, choose a clear niche, know your audience, build one main platform, join the right programs, create helpful content, drive traffic, build trust, disclose your links, track your results, and improve slowly. Affiliate marketing is simple enough to start, but serious enough to plan. Do not chase every product. Do not copy everyone. Do not rush the process. Choose one audience, solve real problems, and recommend products that truly make sense. At Entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on Entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Visit Entrepreneurs.ng to read the full guide on affiliate marketing and explore resources that can help you build your business properly. Subscribe to this channel for more practical business education. We are rooting for you.